G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The summer monsoon has crossed hemispheres into northern Australia and over the next week will slowly spread southward into Queensland, putting the Sunshine State into alert mode for the Christmas New Year period. Up until Boxing Day though, things look pretty good with mild temperatures and minimal rainfall. Temperatures today across the Wide Bay Burnett, all within comfort thresholds. No more heatwave warnings, no extremes of anything, just consistently cool nights with tops only reaching the high 20s. On the satellite loop now, it's not just your imagination. That big swirl of cloud around the Arafura Sea is the beginning of the summer monsoon. We're seeing cross-equatorial flow, those moisture-laden winds from the northern hemisphere gradually moving across the equator into the south, producing lots of turmoil, and this big cloud mass will over the next week or two start impinging over Queensland. Today's chart, you can see first on the surface that same couplet. The low in the Tasman Sea, the high coming in behind it, it's just off the page, and it's allowing those cooler southerly winds to push right up to the North Tropical coast. And of course, we've got strong wind warning for winds up to 30 knots over many areas of the coast. On tomorrow's chart, we have a slow movement of both the high and the low out and towards the Tasman Sea. So the winds will remain quite fresh, although lighter over the southern half of Queensland. Then on the outlook chart, you can see now how those lows intensify over northwestern Australia with that monsoonal flow intensifying, and that'll continue into next week. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters: southeast winds 15 to 20 knots tomorrow with 1.5 metre seas. Easterly winds just 10 to 15 knots on Thursday, tending northeasterly on Friday. Gari offshore waters, it's 15 to 20 knots southeasterlies tomorrow on a 2 metre swell from the same direction. 15 to 20 knots again on Thursday, only 10 to 15 east-northeasterly for Friday. New moon's due this Friday and the morning high tide's growing quickly, soon to hit the dunes. Take advantage of the wide open beaches in the early afternoons. The Wide Bay Burnett District, fine though partly cloudy tomorrow. Bundaberg 18 to 28 degrees. Gympie, Hervey Bay and Maryborough all expecting 27. And looking ahead for Bundaberg, becoming increasingly unsettled over the Christmas long weekend with rising temperatures and humidity, leading to a period of enhanced thunderstorm activity next week. And that's all the weather for tonight, folks. Hope you have a wonderful evening, and I'll be back on set with more weather tomorrow. But for now, it's over to the team.
Thank you very much, Liv. Good on you, mate. As always, lovely having your company, folks. And a reminder, anything you'd like to watch again, our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Otherwise, we'll catch you tomorrow night. Good night.